So I'm back.
Back again. All of them bitches I'm back again. Mansions, Malibu, back.
One of my old, not old as in age, but old coworkers suggested to me that I should do like an eyeshadow tutorial. But like, I'm really bad at doing makeup. Or at least I think I am. Like, I mean, plenty of people, I do their makeup at my job and they're like, oh my God, I love it. And I'm just like, do you? So I figured today, like, I'll just do this for Danielle, nobody else. Nobody wants to see this nightmare. You're gonna have to bear with me. Oh, also, fun fact, I cut my hair at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning on a whim one day when I was having a mental breakdown because I was feeling bad for myself for being all by myself. Oh no, oh no. So I'm using the e.l.f. poreless primer. My heat might be annoying and I apologize, but I want to just like bang this shit out. You're gonna do a little bit of conceal and define by Makeup Revolution. You don't have to use, okay. So I'm gonna use this concealer. You don't have to use this. I personally like it because I feel like it's way better than like Urban Decay, like eyeshadow primer. I feel like it's way better than any other like primer. She moves. Oh, sorry. Today I'm going to be going for, I'm gonna try to just make it look like I have a will to live. First I'm taking Journey. Journey because it's the only one that has like a fucking name that I'm like prepared to use. So, and also no shade at Storybook, but like I'm like barely tapping it and there's like so much fallout already in the pan, but I like live for that because I just like collect it off of the plastic part, dust it off, collect it again, dust it off, collect it again, and then dust it off one more time. So what I do is the side that like looks to me like it has more eyeshadow on it, I just kind of like press it on my eye. Hold on, I need a mirror for this. So I press it on my eye and then I press it on my eye again a couple times for the inner corner. And then I take my clean, this brun, and I start by like just patting it back on my eye and then in towards the inner corner, and then holding it like by the end, I like fluff it out. I don't know, blend out, because I don't want to be like an orange hobo, like Lucy in the Sky with like hobo eyes. Not about that. So I just want this to be just like my base color. And you see, like, it just gives me like a little bit of orange. Nothing crazy, right? So then to deepen it, I'm going to be going back into the Morphe palette with this orange one. Exact same thing. Not dusting this off, not cleaning it off. I'm tapping it. Less fallout. Cool. I'm doing the exact same thing. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. With like slight like sweeping motions. I'm gonna go up to where my hood is this time. See? So it kind of like snatches my eye. I don't know. But I haven't touched this right here yet. So I do this again. Yes, 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 yes. And now she is getting built. Okay. So you can skip this step if you want, but I want it a little bit deeper. So I'm going to mix a brown and a red from the Morphe palette again. So I'm going to be using, so if this is like the regular Morphe palette, I don't know how to like tell the names, which is why I'm not a beauty guru, but the one next to this shimmer that I always use as highlighter on my face because I'm gross, I use this red. So what I'm going to do is, the only brush I haven't used yet, I'm going to do a circle in the pan like this. and then just like tap into it. I don't fucking know. I'm not a beauty guru. Don't come for me. So then I'm gonna do that in the inner corner of my eye. Or sorry, not the inner corner, like the middle of my eye. Like right here. And I'm going to tap it on to the rest of the eye. I don't know why I like my inner corner the brightest, or whatever that fucking part of my eyeball is. Again, not a beauty guru. And then I'm getting more product, and then I'm going back in. And then I'm going back to the storybook thing, and I'm taking this red, literally just says red. And it's like a shimmery moment. So it's on the thing, same brush. And I'm doing it right there in the center. Tap, tap, tap. Bringing it up a little bit. Just trying to just like get that pigment in there, because this doesn't really seem to be like that much of like an impactful shade. And then I'm just kind of like putting it everywhere. And I know it looks crazy right now, but you're gonna see what I'm gonna do in a second. You go up and away, whatever. Do a little pat. So I just sweep and blend little circles now. And I go down, little strokes, up little strokes. And then do one of these. And I'm gonna look at it in person because it looks really good on camera, but I don't really know. She's not bad. Like, again, nothing I'm going to be using for this is going to be like crazy or expensive. Like, I'm going to use the Cream Shop setting spray / primer first. Oh, dude, love that for us. I did it. I did my eyebrow on camera. I use the Essence $3 mascara. I know this probably isn't right, but I like roll it around first, you know, make sure there's something on there. Because if you go like in and out, that's supposedly like really bad for your mascara. So I don't have like an HD camera, but this is the final look. And then like if you're gonna take a selfie, you just like cover up the acne. You're just like, oh, I'm so cute. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if I want to put on eyeliner. Maybe a little. I feel like it's like a bold eye. I don't really like need. I feel like I don't need eyeliner, so I'm not gonna do it, but sorry for that. But I know that it might seem like I use this stuff a lot, but I really feel like I don't, because I've had this now 2 months and it's still pretty full. Hold on. Can you move? Because I don't want you to get sprayed by accident. Again, I dropped it, so that's why this comes out like this. It would normally come out regular and poppin', but I dropped it. I'm all about a bargain. I'm all about a bargain. I'm all about like saving a buck where you can. I'm not spending $40 on my nails when I can spend $40 on my dog's food. You know, that's just me. That's how I think. That's what I think is the best way to be. That's how I think my best way of living is. It's not how I think you should be, he should be, whatever the fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm just saying. So I don't want my highlighter like glistening and like glowing and like popping today. Otherwise I would have used like my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moon Glow. Clearly it's my favorite. I don't even know if they make this anymore, but I loved her. And then that is the end of that. This is the final look. She's glowy. She matches for once. She's blended. So yeah, thank you for tuning in.